Hi, my name is Royce with In-Depth Utility Solutions, and today I want to go over and show you how to replace the detachable spring kit for the MX camera system. Now, this plumber got the camera stuck in the pipe, and as you can see, all the conductors are broke and the wire rope is broke also in trying to get it unstuck. And so what we're going to do, you don't have to send it in and have us do it. All you have to do is get a little crescent wrench and unscrew it here at the termination base. So I'm going to do that for you right here. Just unscrew it. And then you're going to also take your wrench and unscrew this. Discord the broken one. Order yourself a brand new detachable spring kit. Screw it in here. You might want to put some silicone grease on that O-ring. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then put some grease right around here and screw it in. And now you've fixed your camera yourself by replacing the detachable spring kit on the Vevax Metrotech MX reel.